Kobe, come here. Kobe, come here. Kobe, you listen to me, boy. I want to roll a joint, but I just don't fucking feel like it.
You got that? Sorry, I'm gonna put this one here.
Okay.
And the other one where? In the bathroom?
Yeah. So you gonna roll and come out and smoke with us? Okay, Mama. We still waiting for laundry to dry her. Okay. So she's gonna roll real quick, and I could have rolled. But to be honest, I forgot about it until it was too late. But she said she's gonna roll, so we're gonna get out of here so she can roll, and then we can smoke a J outside. Let's go get some sun. You okay, Mama?
Teddy, I'm rolling a joint right now.
McGay's about to roll one up because she's a sweetheart and I'm a douche. I should have rolled. Nice. All right, we're outside getting some sun. Morning. Yeah, let's show some love today. Let's run these likes up, y'all. Let's run these likes up like we know. Double tap, double tap. I need to get some house plants. I want to get some stuff for out here. But honestly, I just like growing marijuana. I'm really good at growing my own medicine. You mean, all right. Someone sent a $5 dono. I'll walk a couple. I'm just trying to get some sun. You guys want to see me walk a little on my day off? Tonight, y'all come back and see me tonight. We're going to be working out a little bit tonight. Yeah. There's no part of this stream that says a workout. It says chill, vibes, 4th of July kind of feel. Talking about fireworks, freedom. There's nothing here talking about us or me working out. But for you, I will.
What's happened to the stream? How are you guys? Everything good? It's so sunny outside. It's so hot. The sun is biting my face.
Feels good though. Good morning.
Sarcasm is a tribute. Not everybody has sarcasm in their lives.
It's true.
That is true. How are you? Let me see your comments.
You can read them?
I can. I'm blind, but I can.
That's why I use the TV.
I can't see. I'm blind.
That's right.
The sun is
You
so
can't
bright.
see shit with this thing.
But it's okay because it's sunny and we're happy.